Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix missing Instagram notes. And here's how it's done. To begin, open Instagram and tap the messages icon in the top right corner. You will notice little bubbles at the top indicating notes. If you don't see any notes, I will outline several steps to troubleshoot. First, let us exit Instagram and head to the App Store. Since this feature is being gradually rolled out, the simplest solution is to tap the search icon in the bottom right and look for Instagram. Once you find it, if there's an update button next to Instagram, click it to install the latest version that include notes. This is the easiest method, but it may not work for everyone, so I will share additional steps. After updating, return to the app. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right, then click the three lines in the top right corner, followed by Settings and Activity at the top. Next, go to Creator Tools and Controls. Scroll down and tap on Switch Account Type. So tap on Switch to Professional, then click through the prompts. These options are not significant since you can revert to a personal account later. Once you have switched, tap the X in the top right corner. Now that you have a professional account, hit the Home button in the bottom left and go back to Messages. You should see your messages, and switching to a professional account enhances your messaging features, allowing you to organize your messages into primary and general tabs. If you prefer to return to a personal account, just follow the same steps. Tap your profile, then the three lines, Settings and Activity, Creator Tools and Controls, and finally, switch account type to revert to a personal account. This should reset your messaging and potentially restore the notes feature. If your notes still aren't visible, you can try deleting and reinstalling the app. Sometimes this feature may take a while to be available across all servers, so you might need to be patient if the previous steps didn't work. And that is everything you need to know about how to fix missing Instagram notes. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.